Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so today's video, I'm quite excited about today's video because it's a new angle that I want to introduce to DTW Tutorials, and which is the lab angles. Okay, because I know DTW Tutorial is all about supporting your maths and your physics. So to help you with your labs, in your schools, your WAEC, you have practicals that you do, physics practical, chemistry practicals, even biology practicals. So this is quite exciting for me because I'm actually attending a training now. A training organized by CcHUB, that's a co-creation hub Nigeria. I know if you've heard about them, that they're in Yaba, and they're in partnership with golabz, which is they're from Europe. That's Switzerland, a polytechnic in Switzerland. That's an EPFL polytechnic in Switzerland. So some of the like a professor from Switzerland, that same school, is actually taking us through this online lab. Okay, we have physical labs in our various schools, but with these online labs, it would engage students to learn more and also help them in retaining that knowledge, practical knowledge. Okay, so I've actually created a lab on Ohm's law, so we're going to go through it. I'm going to take you through how you can go through the lab, how you can learn, your learning experience on it. Okay, so all you need to do is you have to be online, connected to the internet. So you come here, just type in, I've shortened the link for you, bit. So just type in bit.ly/ohms-law-practicals 1. Okay, and press enter. Okay, this is wrong. I think I didn't put the S, so practical 1. Okay, and enter. Okay, so it takes you to this particular learning space which I've created. Okay, so the software, that's the Go Lab. This platform is all about inquiry learning, so it encourages STEM education. Okay, STEM education in the sense that's your science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Okay, so an inquiry learning is all about engaging the student's mind, asking questions, and making them to solve the questions themselves, thereby enabling them to retain that knowledge for a very long time. So when you get into this page, all you need to do is just your nickname. Just type in your nickname. I'm going to type here B and B. Okay, just your nickname, and you just press enter. It takes you into the space directly. Okay, so you can see the space I've created for you for this particular lab. Okay, so several teachers from across Nigeria are undergoing this training now, and if you like this in your school, you can also contact DTW Tutorials, and I would connect you to CcHUB. Okay, so here we have, this is the lab I've created for you. So the first thing is your orientation. You go through this. Have you ever wondered how electric current flows? You read through this. Okay, this is me preparing you as a teacher for this particular lab. Then I'm taking you through the theory. Just is going to load. Okay, it begins with Ohm's law, so you read through it. All right, there's a video here which I've also embedded for you, so play it to understand better. Then this is the conceptualization. So it's all about you stating your hypothesis. Okay, your hypothesis, if current flows, what happens if there's a high resistance, what happens to current flow. So all you need here to do is state your hypothesis. If this happens, this happens. Okay, and you can also, this is a particular confidence meter. You are confident about it, about your hypothesis. Hypothesis is you're stating that if this happens, if you increase this, then current must increase. If you understand how hypothesis is in your normal science lab practicals in schools. Okay, so here, this is the practical aspect to investigation. Okay, so just wait for it to load. Okay, Okay, so this is where this particular platform is so interesting. Okay, so here you can simulate your relationship on Ohm's law. Here you can increase the voltage, reduce the resistance, or increase or reduce resistance, and you see what's happening with your current here. So you can play around with this, all right? And if you want to calculate some other things, there's a calculator down here. It hasn't loaded yet. Okay, so this is how you can play around with this learning space. Now, in conclusion, you read through this conclusion, you tell me as a teacher what was your favorite thing you learned today from this particular lab. You type it in here, and I'm also going to get this as your teacher at the back end at my own platform. Then discussion, this is also where it's very interesting. You can discuss with other people in this class. Okay, so several people around the world will be connected to, they can connect to this platform. I'm going to provide the link for you in the video which I would upload, and also, you know, I've also just type out bit.ly/ohms-law-practical1. Okay, so you can comment, share your experiences, comment how well your investigation went, share your results with others in the class, comment any similarities, differences between your result and others. So you can see how brilliant this software, this platform, I'll call it a software or a platform is. So you can learn a lot. So in time to come, maybe once a month or twice a month, I will prepare several labs for you. Labs on maybe acid and base solution, labs on physics, chemistry, and also mathematics. Okay, so for you to go through, give me your feedback. All right, in your conclusion, give me your feedback, what you've learned, favorite things you've learned, and also discussion. Make the class engaging. So this is a virtual online lab which you can interact with various students around the world. All right, so this is all about Alright, so what I want you to do now is, after watching this video, please just click on the link on the description box or open another browser page and type in bit.ly/ohms-law-practical 1. Okay, and it will take you, hit on the enter tab, and it will take you to the page. So all you need to do is log in with your nickname and enjoy the experience, enjoy the lab, go through the lab, you know, learn, take your pen and paper, write down your hypothesis, follow through to understand better about Ohm's law. All right, so thank you for DTW tutorials. You are destined to win, and don't forget to share, subscribe. So share to your friends that you know will benefit from this. Even if you are out of school and you know maybe during your secondary school time you didn't understand some practicals in school, please follow through. Go to the learning space, okay, and go through to understand better. All right, okay, so thank you for staying tuned to DTW tutorials, and I also want to say thank you to CcHUB for this privilege, this good training, and also to EPFL Switzerland and our professors and software engineers in charge. So thank you. You are destined to win. Bye.